This is the best creamy coffee with just 3 ingredients. Put my coffee in a bowl and beat it with the mixer until it changes consistency and color. That's the point. Once that's done, we'll add instant coffee, and that's really good. Now add 250 milliliters of hot water and beat with the mixer until all the coffee is dissolved. And it will double in volume and become very creamy, very thick. Look how delicious it is. Whenever I prepare coffee like this here at home, there's nothing left over. And this is the point, folks, it's ready to go. Look at that creaminess. This quantity yields many portions. I'm going to serve it with iced milk. First, I put some ice in this cup. And now I'm going to add a little milk. The amount is up to you. And as my cup is very big, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of our creamy coffee. How perfect is that? Now all you have to do is mix and we'll have our iced cappuccino. Make it at home because it's perfect. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.